Hello, I'm Mark Polin, Chairman of the Betsi Cadwaladr University Health Board. On this, the 73rd anniversary of the NHS, I would like to take the opportunity to thank all those who make our NHS services here in North Wales special. Thank you to the truly committed staff who give so much for our patients. Thank you too to all our volunteers and partners who work tirelessly to support our patients, service users and staff. And thank you too to all the people, local community groups, businesses, trusts and foundations who donate and offer support for our charity, Our Lass, and other charities who directly support our healthcare services. Without your collective dedication, the NHS would not be what it is now. The passion, compassion and fortitude that colleagues, volunteers and supporters have shown in recent months has been truly remarkable. The NHS Big T began today and runs throughout July. I hope you will join me in raising a cuppa to show our appreciation for everyone who has done so much to help our local communities come through this challenging time. Raising our cups to show our appreciation is a small, simple act. We know there is lots we can build on to improve care and treatment here in North Wales, particularly in view of everything we have learned over the past year. We know that, unlike raising our cups, making lasting changes to better our healthcare services is not always simple, and the scale of what lies ahead is not small. Nevertheless, we are committed to continuing improving our healthcare services so people across the region can continue to receive the very best care possible. Here's to many more years of the NHS, and here's to all of you who make the NHS great. Thank you. Ddiolch yn fawr iawn.